Disneyland and San Diego's two major theme parks have to wait longer before they can reopen. Good evening. I'm Kimberly Hunt.
And I'm Derek Stahl. The state released new guidance today saying these parks will have to wait until their counties reach the least restrictive yellow tier. But as ABC 10 News reporter Adam Rakusin explains, theme park operators say this could be financially devastating.
Those who love theme parks rejoice. The state of California has finally released guidance on how to reopen. Now, before you get too excited, it might be a while before reopening is actually a reality.
You're right, we don't have the crystal ball. I don't know when Orange County or San Diego County will indeed enter yellow.
That's Dr. Mark Galley, the California Health and Human Services Secretary. According to the state, smaller theme parks, ones with an overall capacity fewer than 15,000, may resume limited operations when the county is in the orange tier. Capacity will be limited at 25% or 500 people. They can only open outdoor attractions, and ticket sales must be limited to visitors residing in the same county as the park.
Really, the nature of the smaller amusement theme parks is that they're really local activities. They often don't draw from broad communities.
Theme parks like Legoland, SeaWorld, and Disneyland have to wait until the county they're in hits the yellow tier, and then can only open at 25% capacity. SeaWorld is already kind of open at a limited capacity under the state's guidance for zoos and aquariums. Both Legoland and Disneyland fired back at the new guidelines. The president of Legoland California writing in part, not allowing theme parks to open until Tier 4 will destroy the industry in California, and the economic impact to industries that rely heavily on theme parks will be catastrophic.
These parks are meant to operate at full capacity. Disneyland, after a long period of time, a couple of weeks ago actually, announced 28,000 layoffs.
Mira Kopik is a marketing lecturer at San Diego State University.
Hotels, restaurants, gift stores, all those things are being impacted. So it's not just the theme park which is going to struggle, but it's also the whole ecosystem around those theme parks.
Let's go! The state also released guidelines for sporting events and racetracks. Outdoor operations may resume in the orange tier with capacity at 20% and the yellow tier at 25%. So maybe next season these cardboard cutouts at Petco Park will be real San Diegans. Adam Rakusin, ABC 10 News.
And for sporting events, the state says ticket sales have to be limited to customers traveling within a 120-mile radius. The state's also discouraging fans from yelling, singing, and booing.